Okay, I just got back from the gym. I think I'm gonna finish editing the video that has to go up today, and then I'm gonna grab a shower. And I have these 2 bananas that really need to be used, so I think I'm gonna make a banana loaf out of those. So the gym was good. I didn't hate being there today, so that's a plus. But I'm not doing much for the rest of the day. I have to go back to work tomorrow, so we have some laundry going, and I'm gonna have to cook something for supper. Oh, I think I should take, Chippy, don't touch that. No. I think I'm gonna take something out for supper. Oh, I still have a little bit of soup that Mom made that I'm gonna have for lunch. But sometimes on Sundays I'll meal prep for the week, but I don't feel like doing that today. So I'm just gonna do breakfast for supper, and we're gonna have bologna, bacon, eggs, fruit, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna have this soup and I'll check in with you later. So it's much later. I didn't do the banana bread like I thought I was going to. I sat down and finished editing and then uploaded the video. My family is doing another Disney meeting tomorrow night, and I wanted to make another slideshow to show them, so I've been doing that ever since and like pricing everything out. So I just got out of the shower. I have my clothes ready for tomorrow and everything set out, and Seamus and I had pizza for supper, so I'm going to take a piece of that for my lunch.